Hi, it's Kyle Chester Marsden from Fieldpiece Instruments. Today I would like to share some information with you regarding our SC680 electrical clamp meter. Okay, so did you know that the SC680 has the functionality to take a power measurement? Now, taking a power measurement is crucial to seeing just how efficient the system you're working on is. With the SC680, it couldn't be easier to take the reading. You can simply locate the circuit you want to take a power measurement on and connect the red and black leads to the live and neutral of the system, and then clamp the tool on the live cable you're taking the measurement of. And the power measurement can be viewed right on the large screen of the SC680 meter, or alternatively, you can connect the meter to our JobLink application on a mobile or tablet device and record and log the measurements from up to 300 meters away. And so with the Fieldpiece SC680 clamp meter, power readings can be measured, reported and logged, meaning you can diagnose or commission the system easier, faster and better. So thanks for watching and stay tuned for more great videos.